Hey guys, welcome you all in this new series for Linux for Ethical Hackers, where we're going to learn about overall Linux commands from very beginners to advanced level. Like we have file permissions, arithmetic calculations, arrays, arguments, piping. Also, we're going to look after some cron jobs, seeds, AWK, and at the end of series we're going to do some fun projects where we're going to script our own bug bounty hunting tools. So guys, it's going to be fun project and amazing learning journey. Also, if you have any queries regarding this session, like during the session also, please feel free to comment down and don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. It would be very helpful, like it keeps me motivating. So thank you everyone, goodbye.